said, and you were the only one.
Red Kettle Theatre Company, in association with Garter Lane Arts Centre, presents the world premiere of Edna O'Brien's The Country Girls. This wonderful, wild, funny and moving story that shocked the nation on its publication in 1960 has now been written for the stage by the author. Directed by Michael Murphy, this is a truly contemporary, highly theatrical, dramatic and free-flowing telling of this classic coming-of-age story.